8 local schools are getting help from the state health department to make sure everyone has access to healthy lifestyle choices. News 4's Abby Fridman tells us about 2 grants to focus on eating well and getting exercise. Abby?
Jackie, it's a partnership between Erie One Boces and the State Department of Health. The representatives from the board and local leaders say healthy living starts in the schools and will eventually branch out to the rest of the community.
And by bringing these tools and resources to our kids in need to make healthy decisions for themselves and ultimately parents to be able to make healthy decisions for their families is going to directly impact their health, their well-being, their quality of life.
The 2 5-year grants from the state DOH will give nutrition education, stronger wellness policies locally, and add new options for physical activity. It will go directly to 8 schools: Cheektowaga Central, Cheektowaga Sloan, Lackawanna, Maryvale, Randolph, Salamanca City, Springville Griffith Institute, and West Valley.
In order to achieve that health and wellness, we have to understand the barriers to those things, we have to break down those barriers, and we have to support access. And this grant is targeting both of those things.
Senator Tim Kennedy is a vocal sponsor of the FRESH Act, which addresses food deserts across the state. He says that's a huge problem in our area.
You know that so many of our communities across Western New York lack access to fresh foods. In fact, there are so many food deserts throughout Buffalo and Western New York. It's just absolutely unacceptable.
Deputy Erie County Executive Maria White added the grant will help create healthy habits, which will in turn bring a brighter future.
That the access to healthy food, the access to exercise, and those opportunities exist for residents in our community.
Ultimately, by the end of the program, the state would like to see a decrease in chronic illness and obesity among those living in the communities. The Creating Healthy Schools and Communities initiative will run for 5 years, so until 2026. In the newsroom, Abby Fridman, News 4.